What you can also do inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro is draw out with textures. So to do that, over here you can see that you can go around onto tool properties, and under the tool properties color section, under color, under swatches, you can see the swatches right here, which are plain colors right now. So what you need to do to add in texture is right click on an empty space right here and then click on new texture. So once you do that, it opens up your Explorer window, so you can navigate around to the folder you want and then select the texture you want and then press open. So once you do that, the texture is added. What you can also do to add in texture right here is to go and click on this button right here, and you can click on new texture and then select out this texture right here, just like this. So you can go around and select out the texture and simply go around and start drawing right here. So since the brush is very small, you don't see the detail in the texture, but if I were to increase the size and then draw around, as I leave the mouse, you can see that it draws out with the texture right here. You can go around, select another texture and go around, draw over here as well. And there you go. That's the texture, as you can see. And then as I overlap the texture, you can see that it actually matches up the texture right there, just like that. So that is how you can actually go around and utilize the texture, as you can see right here. You can go around and take a paint bucket tool right here. You can take around any other color right here and click, and you can see that it actually goes around and paints this right here. You can also do the same with the texture right here as well. You can click and there you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this right here and then just draw this around just like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around on grab my paint bucket tool right here, grab another texture and paint, and you can see that I can paint in textures right here just like this. So you can paint in textures within just like this as well. So that is how you can work around with texture. As you can see, all you need to do is simply go around and then drag around right here. You can go around and there you go. There's textures right there which can be actually applied just like that. And that is how you can utilize textures inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.